Welcome to our channel The Healing Spell. Today's video is on how to make super moist microwave chocolate cake. It is extremely tasty, comes in very handy when you have a strong sweet tooth, and it takes less than 2 minutes to bake this amazing chocolate cake. Let's look into the required ingredients. A quarter cup of maida, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, a quarter teaspoon of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of sugar, you can add 4 if you like it sweet, a quarter teaspoon of instant coffee powder, a tiny pinch of salt, 1/4 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of ghee, butter or oil, 1 tablespoon of chopped milk chocolate, this is optional, and 1 tablespoon of chopped mixed dried fruits and nuts, again optional, but it will add to the taste if you add these two. In a ceramic mug, add the dry ingredients first: maida, cocoa powder, baking powder, a pinch of salt, instant coffee powder, and granulated sugar. Mix all the dry ingredients thoroughly. I'm using a fork. You can also use a whisk. Make sure that the dry ingredients are mixed really well. Now add in a quarter cup of milk and a tablespoon of ghee. Mix it really well. I'm again using a fork. Make sure there are no lumps. Look at the consistency. Now I'm adding chopped dried fruits and nuts and sliced chocolate. Mix gently. I've gently wiped the batter which was sticking onto the surface of the glass. Place the mug in the microwave on medium-high for 60 seconds. After 60 seconds, I noticed some amount of raw batter in the center, so I've placed it for another 20 seconds. This additional time required depends on microwave model, so it's better to check every 10 seconds. You know your cake is ready when the surface has a matted look, or if you pierce a toothpick, it comes out clean. It shouldn't take more than 60 to 80 seconds. Make sure that you don't leave it in the microwave for long, otherwise the cake is going to turn rubbery. Super moist, extremely tasty chocolate mug cake is now ready. Please do try this recipe at home and let us know how well you liked it in the comment section below. If you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon for notification. See you all soon with yet another video. Till then, take care and be happy.